Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Talent Traders. Myself Bala here. Welcome you all to my channel. And this video I'm just going to discuss about my positional option scanner. So mainly for a stock option. So it's a lot of misunderstanding about how this tool. So it is mainly created for positional stock option scanner. Okay, and also we are giving you additional intraday tool also, and I'm going to explain you how this system works and how monthly and weekly and intraday. Okay, so the main logic for this tool is to find the scanning the stock options purely on F1 category. Okay, so the positional concept, we have some positional strategy. So we have some positional course, and based on that we have five different strategies. In this five, four strategies are edged, and one should be a naked. One would be a naked strategy. So here, in this all five strategies, we have directional as well as non-directional and non-directional. So totally you will be getting almost 9 strategy over this particular course. So we developed a scanning tool initially in charting. Okay, and by using the charting scanner, we find it on the equity stocks. After that, we are going to check that particular stocks option, and we find our logic to apply whether it is good or not. Okay, but after that we decided to create a scanner in a Google Sheet based, and that was we are doing it from 2019, and that last February we stopped all on the Google Sheet. So here right now, so we are turned into that Google Sheet as a web based application. So here previously we are giving you charges basis. Right now we are not going to give you any charges. We give you the full setup to you as a one time setup cost. If you want to know more about the setup cost, you just ping me on my WhatsApp number, which shown here, and this WhatsApp number you can connect me and you get more details about. So among those 9 strategies for edged and directional strategy, here this tool is purely useful for a directional basis, because non-directional strategy which are using another concept of IV, IVP and range, price range. So based on that we use a non-directional, and this tool helps us to directional. So here the students who are those who are completed the course, they know well how to handle or how to find out a trade opportunity. For example, this month from the beginning, so almost 14 days is over right now. So due to that war tensions, the overall market is down. So if you are looking at, we will be seeing almost many stocks which triggers our entry point. Most of the stocks more than 200, some of the stocks more than 300% also more. But even though this scenario, some of the stock which derivatives generated a call side entries also, but that was not moving much more. But some stocks moves in call side too. But overall market, which direction we can go along with that direction, that will help. So and also weekly scanner. So what weekly it's help us, every week we try to find one or two opportunity based on the logic, and this tool will help us a scanner for this logic, and any stock which filtered by the scanner, so we can apply our any of the strategy. Okay, so here also this week so many stocks triggered, and many stocks which moves more than 200% also. So this is what a logic, mainly the monthly and weekly scanner is purely working based on the logic and the concept. So if you are directly watching the sheet, you may not be able to find out an opportunity. You may in the top listed stocks, you may find some good movement or something else, but it is not a purely a positional logic, which including our strategy methods which you going to implement with this particular tool. Okay, and intraday, it's a different concept. So some people who are already using our monthly, weekly, some days there is no entries, or some days they want to look for an intraday opportunity. So that is why we used a camarilla R4, that R4 breakout on camarilla based. So in this camarilla R4 breakout, both the sides. For an example, an everyday market opens, so either the market is going up or it's going down. Okay, so here we are using only R4 level breakout. For example, if the market is moving upside, there is a possibilities of call side will break the R4. Okay, when the market is going down, in this time the put side options may break the R. So this is what the logic. So we are not using S4. So someone who misunderstanding about a call for R4 put for S4, it's not right. So both the strike prices are both the sides like call and put side. We are looking for a R4 breakout. So here this tool at 9:30, after 9:30 you can use this tool to find a real trade opportunities from the sheet. Likewise we are designed this tool because before 9:30 if any stocks are simply what we have added here at 9:30 if any stocks above to the R4 level, that is option above R4, that would be removed from the list for the entire day. So that will help us to find a newer opportunity. That breakout can be possible on the day. Okay, so that is what the main logic, and this two intraday and weekly, which exactly working based on the strategy basis, and this one is works based on the camarilla R4 breakout level. So let me example or give you example. Yesterday market is entirely down, but some stocks which breaks the R4. I'm not going to contra trading here. I'm just looking for a how it works. Syngin 400. Okay, 400 call option. I'm just using 5-minute chart and I want to change the pivot. It is already yearly. So in this 5 minutes, where you can look at this Syngin 400 18.7. Okay, so in this case at 9:50, it is just a moment. Syngin, what time it was started trading? It was 27.3. Yeah, that same 400 call option 18.7 is the trigger. So exactly 18.7 is the trigger here. So maybe we run the scanner at that time. It may be show. Right now it is showing you all the things. Okay. So Tata consume 1060. Let me check. Tata consume 1060. Call option in this case. This one exactly at before 9:30 it was trading below, and it is giving you the breakout at this moment. So maybe around 30.4, and it went up to 48 again. It closed by 38. That is exactly showing. And Muthoot Finance 3250 call option here also. First 3-5 minutes candle is less than the R4. Here is the R4 breakout. After that it moves. But yesterday market is entirely down, so we may be finding a lot of opportunities. Let me randomly Intel Core 970. Here it's a put side. This one, but here it is in the second 5 minutes itself. It is breaking the R4, but the stock could be came here. Maybe we are not running exactly yesterday. So right now it is showing you the historical data. So if you're live, and the 9:30 levels will be removed. Grasim 2680. It's the end of the market, and the Saturday we are recording this video, right? So that may be. So here 1 2 3. So this is the third candle. It is less than, and it is a breakout, and finally it moves well. Okay, so this is what the logic which we are used in intraday. R4 camarilla R4 breakout. Okay, and weekly it's entirely different. It doesn't follow any indicator. It is purely based on the logic on the strategy, which we have some calculations to find expected range, and also we are having some tool the methods to find the breakout point. So by using that logic, so here it is showing you the strike price and the weekly strike price. It's going to be updated weekly once, and monthly strike price it's going to be updated monthly once. So that is what the main logic on this particular tool. So right now, so if anyone who are interested on this tool, along with the course we can provide the recorded course. So really interested people can connect me on my WhatsApp number here, and this is what the logic how to use, and the strategy. After learning the strategy, you can also effectively use this tool. Okay, I'm just showing you some 5-10% of how to use it, but combining with the strategy, you may be effectively use on the positional both monthly and weekly, and intraday you may use for a R4 breakout. So I hope you understood the logic how the scanner and tool works. So if you have any questions or a doubt, just comment on the comment box, or you can more detail just WhatsApp me on the number. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching.